Egg recipes for dinner. Check out these 4 recipes. Number 1. Egg and avocado salad on toast. Yield 4. Ingredients: 4 slices of hearty sandwich bread, about 3/4 inch thick, such as peasant bread, sourdough, whole wheat, or multigrain. 6 hard-boiled eggs, peeled. 2 avocados, halved and pitted. 1/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon of coarsely chopped fresh basil leaves, divided. 1/4 cup of thinly sliced scallions. 3 tablespoons of whole milk, plain Greek yogurt. 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Kosher salt. Freshly ground black pepper. 1 clove of garlic, peeled. Instructions: toast the bread. Meanwhile, cut the eggs into quarters, chop into pieces, and place them into a medium bowl. Scoop out the avocado flesh and add it to the bowl. Mash the eggs and avocado together lightly with a fork, still keeping the mixture chunky. Add 1/4 cup of basil, scallions, yogurt, lemon juice, a big pinch of salt, and a few grinds of pepper. Gently mix until the mixture comes together. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed. Rub the clove of garlic all over 1 cut side of each slice of bread. Divide the egg salad among the slices and spread into an even layer. Garnish with the remaining 1 tablespoon of basil and serve. Recipe notes: make ahead. The eggs can be hard-boiled up to 1 week ahead and stored in the refrigerator. Number 2. Crispy white beans with greens and poached egg. Yield serves 4. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons of olive oil, divided. 1 15-ounce of canned cannellini beans, drained and rinsed. 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, divided. 2 teaspoons of za'atar, divided. 1 medium bunch of Swiss chard, about 10 ounces, stems removed and leaves thinly sliced. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 1/4 teaspoon red pepper flakes, plus more for serving. 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. 4 large eggs, poached. Instructions: heat 2 tablespoons of the oil in a large frying pan over medium-high heat until shimmering. Add the beans, spread into an even layer, and cook until undisturbed until the beans are lightly browned on the bottom, 2 to 4 minutes. Add 1/2 teaspoon of the salt and 1 teaspoon of the za'atar and stir to combine. Spread the beans out again and cook, stirring as needed, until golden brown and blistered on all sides, 3 to 5 minutes more. Add the remaining 1 tablespoon of oil to the pan. Add the chard, remaining 1/2 teaspoon of salt, the remaining 1 teaspoon of za'atar, garlic, and red pepper flakes. Cook, stirring occasionally, until the chard is wilted, about 3 to 5 minutes. Remove the pan from heat. Add the lemon juice and toss the combine. Divide the eggs and greens among 4 bowls and top each with a poached egg and more red pepper flakes. Serve warm. Recipe notes: storage: leftover beans and chard can be stored in a covered container in the refrigerator for up to 4 days. Number 3. 3-ingredient pesto zoodle bowl. Yield 1. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of olive oil, divided. 1 medium zucchini, about 6 ounces, the ends trimmed and spiralized. Or 1 heaping cup of store-bought zucchini noodles. 1 tablespoon of basil pesto. 1 large egg. Kosher salt. Freshly ground black pepper. Red pepper flakes or hot sauce for serving. Optional. Instructions: heat 1 tablespoon of the oil in a medium non-stick skillet over medium heat until shimmering. Add the zucchini noodles and sauté until just tender, about 2 minutes. Add the pesto and toss until the noodles are well coated. Transfer the noodles to a plate or shallow bowl. Heat the remaining 1 tablespoon of oil in the skillet until shimmering. Add the egg, season with salt and pepper, and cook undisturbed until the outer white edges are opaque, about 1 minute. Cover and cook until the yolk is set but still runny, 2 to 3 minutes. Gently slide a spatula under the egg and place it on top of the zoodles. Sprinkle with a pinch of red pepper flakes or finish with a little hot sauce if using. Number 4. Scrambled egg tacos. Yield serves 4. Ingredients: 6 large eggs, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, a quarter teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of pepper, 8 small corn tortillas, 2 to 3 cups of cooked vegetables such as potatoes, zucchini, corn, or any other leftover vegetables, a cup of cooked meat like chicken, pulled pork, or any other leftover meat, optional, fresh cilantro and hot sauce for serving. Instructions: whisk the eggs until the whites and yolks are fully combined. Melt the butter into a medium saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, reduce the heat to a medium-low and pour in the eggs. Stir often until the eggs reach your desired level of softness. Remove from heat and stir in the salt and pepper, then move to a big serving platter. Read more: how to make soft, creamy scrambled eggs. Meanwhile, warm the leftover vegetables in a microwave or in a skillet over low heat. Transfer the warmed vegetables to the serving platter with the eggs. To warm the tortillas on a gas stove, heat the remaining burners to medium to warm and toast the tortillas briefly on both sides. If you have an electric stove, select another method to heat the tortillas. Wrap the warm tortillas in a clean dish towel to keep them warm. Bring the platter of taco toppings to the table with the tortillas, cilantro, and hot sauce. Let everyone build their own tacos at the table.